The title for our lesson is What is a Medium? The standards are P.8.6.1 and P.8.6.8. A medium is a material in which a wave travels. Remember, a wave is a type of energy. You can either have a sound wave or a light wave. Okay, that's how you see light and that's how you hear sound. Okay. Solids, liquids, and gases. Let's have a little refresher about that. Okay, we're going to have a solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, gas. All right, a solid has all kind of particles inside of it, and they're all bunched together. They're pretty compact. They don't leave much room for anything. And to think about a solid, we could say this board right here would be a solid. We're just going to fill that in for time's sake. Okay, a liquid has a bunch of particles in it, but they're more spread out. Okay, and then a gas has less particles than a liquid. All right, so remember that for the next slide. So sound versus light. What does a medium have to do with sound? Why do we have to have a medium for sound? So sound has to have a medium. Every time you hear something, it is having to travel through a solid, a liquid, or a gas. All right, so sound is a vibration of particles. Remember the particles that we were just talking about in a solid, liquid, or gas that move from a source to your ear. So the way that you hear this speaker right here is there are particles in the air that I'm talking in right now. So the way that you can hear me is my voice is traveling through air. Okay, air would be a gas. Okay, so these particles are kind of grabbing on it to each other and they're traveling from this speaker all the way to this ear. Okay, so for sound to travel, it has to have a solid, a liquid like water, or gas like the air that I'm talking to you through right now. Okay, Mr. Adcock, can you hear in space?
No.
Because space has no medium, no matter. No, it does not have a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Think about, like, you can't even breathe in space because there is no what?
Atmosphere.
You can't breathe, there's no air.
Yeah.
All right. So light does not have to have a medium. You can have a medium for light, like light can travel through a piece of paper if it's a light colored piece of paper. It can travel through there, but it does not have to have a medium. You can see light in space, okay? Part of the electromagnetic spectrum is light. So this little portion right here is light. Okay, we're gonna do another lesson on the electromagnetic spectrum, but I just wanted you to see this is, out of all the light in the earth, out of everything on the electromagnetic spectrum, you can only see this visible light right here. Okay, so a little refresher, do you have to have a medium for sound? Yes, you have to have a solid, a liquid, or a gas for sound to travel through. Do you have to have a medium for light? No, because light does not have to have a solid, liquid, or gas to travel.
Not trying to shine.